Hello, Linux enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of immutable, rock-solid Linux distributions. If you're someone who values a stable and secure desktop environment, you're in for a treat. Let's explore the top immutable Linux distros that are making waves in the open-source community. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's get started. Our first contender is Fedora Silverblue. It's one of the earliest immutable versions of traditional desktop Linux. What sets it apart? Well, Fedora Silverblue ships with the entire system as one giant component, making it easy to replace when you download a system update. This read-only approach, similar to Android and macOS, prevents a single corrupted system file from ruining your entire PC's booting process. But that's not all. Fedora Silverblue uses the Flatpak format for apps, providing a degree of sandboxing for improved security. You can switch between desktop environments and even try out beta versions of Fedora without risking the stability of your system. It's a robust and dependable choice for those who prioritize a secure Linux experience. Next up, we have NixOS, the new hotness in the Linux world. Although it's been around for decades, it's gaining attention for its unique approach. NixOS builds a workable Linux system atop the Nix package manager, making installations and reproductions across machines a breeze. The learning curve might be steep, but the rewards are substantial. With NixOS, you can configure your entire system by editing a single file, and rolling back to previous versions of apps or your entire desktop is a walk in the park. It's a powerful choice for those willing to invest time in mastering it. Now let's talk about something unconventional: NixOS. Unlike other Linux distros, NixOS is not designed for enterprise use or tech enthusiasts. Instead, it targets those learning to use a PC for the first time and individuals in areas with unreliable internet access. NixOS comes with pre-installed desktop software, including a fully replicated offline version of Wikipedia. This makes it an excellent choice for users in regions where internet reliability is not guaranteed. It's a unique approach to Linux, providing accessibility to a broader audience. If you're a gaming enthusiast, you'll love our next pick, SteamOS. Developed by Valve, SteamOS ships with every Steam Deck, combining the gaming experience with a desktop mode powered by KDE Plasma. While it may not be a full-featured Linux distro, its accessibility and integration with gaming make it an exciting option for many users. SteamOS proves that Linux can cater to a wider audience beyond traditional desktop users. It's a unique take on an immutable Linux experience. Now, let's talk about Vanilla OS. While it's the least mature option on our list, it's an exciting prospect for those familiar with Ubuntu and Debian-based tools. Although there may be some bugs for early adopters, it promises an immutable Ubuntu-based distro, making it a solid choice for those transitioning to more secure desktop environments. Vanilla OS comes with DistroBox-like functionality, allowing you to install software packages intended for different Linux distributions on a single machine. It's a promising option that may become even more attractive as it matures. And now introducing BlendOS, an Arch-based distro that supports every type of app package. Its focus on immutability ensures a secure and reliable operating system. What sets BlendOS apart? Well, it supports multiple package managers, including apt, DNF, Yum, Pacman, and Yay. This versatility makes it a standout choice for those who value flexibility and security in their Linux experience. Blend OS uses the Jade GUI for a seamless installation experience, and the FlatHub Store, available as a desktop app, simplifies the process of installing applications. The use of its package manager, Blend, ensures compatibility with a wide range of distribution packages. It's an Arch-based distro with a focus on immutability and ease of use. As we wrap up, it's clear that the future of desktop Linux is leaning towards immutability. These rock-solid distros with read-only system files offer a balance between security and ease of use, while many traditional Linux desktops aim to become immutable in the future. These options are available for early adopters today. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Linux enthusiasts. Until next time, stay secure and keep exploring the open source world. Signing off. Happy computing.